Ryan Niacin, a wildlife photographer, had just settled into his new home in South Africa when he encountered an unexpected visitor, a baby bush baby lying on his floor. Since 2009, Niacin had been guiding fellow photographers and animal lovers through South Africa's rich landscapes and wildlife, making his move into this diverse country, full of deserts, forests, and iconic species like elephants and lions, a natural choice. However, his first real encounter at home was far from the usual African safari experience. Upon moving in, Niacin noticed that a family of bush babies had already taken up residence in the rafters of his house. These tiny nocturnal primates, known locally as Nagas pi's or little night monkeys, became a regular presence. At first, he only observed the adults, but over time he began to hear the squeaks of the babies, signaling their growing numbers. Niacin respected their space, never approaching their roosts, until an unexpected incident brought one of the babies face to face with him. The encounter occurred while Niacin was working on his computer. He heard a soft flop and squeak on the couch and discovered a baby bush baby safely cushioned by the sofa. Concerned about the mother above, he carefully placed the infant on the kitchen counter to reassure her. Capturing the moment on video, Niacin witnessed the mother leap from the rafters to the counter, retrieve her baby, and skillfully return to the safety of the rafters, a display of the species' remarkable ability to jump up to 7 feet vertically. Niacin shared the footage on social media, where viewers marveled at the bush baby's agility and praised him for intervening without disrupting the mother-infant bond. He emphasized that he avoided touching the baby to prevent the mother from rejecting it. Reflecting on the experience, Niacin expressed his respect for the animal space, enjoying observing them and assisting only when necessary. He cherished the unexpected moment, appreciating the small but precious connection with the wildlife that had quietly moved into his home.